I got my cacti in my bag. Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to a new video. Today I have a shoe unboxing for you guys. I got a little bit of Christmas money and therefore I could afford a pair of shoes. They arrived today. I got ringed out of my bed. I was still sleeping and then my doorbell ringed. And then I decided to get dressed up, walk my dog, and now I'm here. I'm a little bit distracted because my dog is walking around downstairs. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm sorry for the noise. I bought a pair of Wulfrun creepers by Underground. Underground is the brand and it's one of my favorites. I used to own a pair like this, but then with the single sole, and I sold them when I was in my minimalistic area and I regret it ever since. So I bought them again, but this time I got them with a double sole. So this is the package. I'm really excited. Right now I own 3 pair of creepers. I used to own a lot of them, but I have 2 heels and 1 regular shoe with white on the nose, like on top of the nose, and the rest of the shoe is black and they are leather. Also, I'm sorry for the seagull noises, but what I was talking about, yeah, so I have 1 pair of creepers with a single sole and they are black leather with white on top of it, and this time I ordered the black suede ones with a double sole, and I haven't seen the double sole shoe in real life since I can't really remember, so I hope there are, I mean, actually I saw pictures on the internet and I really like them. I hope they're not too chunky in real life. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Let me pose a little bit for a thumbnail. Okay, let's open it together. Okay, there's paper in it. I made a good decision. We make authentic British rock and roll inspired shoes. They're beautiful. Oh, don't mind my nail polish, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I love the double sole. It's literally what I was going for. I wanted a more chunky pair of shoes in my collection, so that is great. I love that there's no scratches. They're like brand new. I got them from eBay. I didn't buy them on their original Underground website. I saw these shoes at office.co.uk and they were 40% off, but then I got some trouble with shipping and then I started searching further and then I found them on eBay for the exact same price, even £1 cheaper. So I'm gonna try them on right now and then gonna walk around in them a little bit. I'm gonna try on different pair of jeans and like tights to see how they look with all these different looks. But I can literally wear these with everything, so I don't think that's gonna be a problem, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy these are to combine. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was entertaining to see me unboxing a pair of shoes. But anyhow, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up because that will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, please take a minute to subscribe because I would love to have you here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.